Hey there, it's Casey Denman with TaxSaleAcademy.com and welcome to this week's quick tax sale tip video. So over the last couple of weeks, I've heard from multiple people who are relatively new tax sale investors. They've attended one, maybe two auctions, and they're frustrated that somebody else overpaid for the property they wanted, or they're frustrated that the property they wanted was redeemed, or about 1,000 other things. And the truth is, it's not limited to just this week. I get emails and messages like this just about weekly. If there was one thing in this business where I could just magically wave a wand and cast a spell on every single brand new investor, it would be the spell of patience. That is by far the number one trait that all investors must absolutely have to see success in the tax sale business. There is no such thing as immediate gratification in the tax sale business. There are so many things out of our control as a tax sale investor which tend to delay the progress that we expect we should immediately have. The auction dates, the properties, the competition, and so much more. If I was able to buy every single property that I wanted at an auction, I would, without a doubt in my mind, be a multi-billionaire at this very moment. When I look back at all the auctions that I went to, and didn't win the property that I set out for, or didn't win a single property, there were tens of thousands, if not hundreds of thousands, of these types of properties. To this day, there's plenty of time that passes between purchases at tax sales. This is not a get-rich-quick scheme. This is not a buy your first property in 48 hours. This is not a make $1 million tomorrow business. This is a be patient, a learn but be patient business where you will see long-term success if you stick with it. My suggestion for those struggling with this, for those getting FOMO, fear of missing out, for those who are frustrated they didn't get a property at their first, second, third, 10th, 20th auction, is to first understand it's okay. It's business. To understand that you must be patient. Without patience, you will never, ever succeed in this business. But if we want to break it down more tactically, you can simply do two things that are very much interrelated. The first is to increase the size of your market area. Instead of investing in one little county, or perhaps even one state, learn to invest out of area. Increase the market territory that you are investing in. This subsequently does the second suggestion, which is to see more properties get sold at tax sale auctions. Let me give you some numbers here. If you go to that one county and you see 10 properties a year get auctioned off, your success rate will be 1% of the person that sees 1,000 properties a year auctioned off, which is going to be 0.1% of somebody like me who sees more than 10,000 properties sold every single year. The more properties you research, the more properties you have the chance of buying, the more success you are going to have. It is, in fact, partly a numbers game. I used this principle back probably 15, 18 years ago now. My income locally was capped. I simply could not make any more money where I was investing. So I expanded market areas. First another county, added another county, eventually another state, then multiple states. Sure, this can be difficult initially, but over time became easier and easier for me, as it will for you. I became more and more efficient. It was another skill, of course, that I preach about is becoming efficient. But eventually, my income dramatically increased because of all this. But this all goes back to the trait that we're discussing today. Patience. Without patience, I would have never, ever seen the success that I've seen in the tax sale business. So the next time you get frustrated, the next time you wonder why you didn't win a property that you think you should have won, the next time you get frustrated that property sold for too much money, whatever it is, just take a breath, take a step back, remind yourself to be patient. If you are patient, you will see that success that you desire. Listen, I truly hope this has helped you out. If you are interested in learning more about the incredible tax sale business, how to buy, sell, and profit from tax defaulted real estate, make sure you check out all the links in today's show notes, including the link to grab my book, Tax Sale Playbook. I bought the book for you. Just cover the nominal shipping cost, which is less than $5 inside the U.S. And of course, if you want the most comprehensive step-by-step training that is offered, make sure you check out TaxSaleAcademy.com. Hey, take care and make it a successful day. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.